Hello guys, in today's video I present you a rugged smartphone with an absolutely monstrous 20,800 mAh battery for unprecedented endurance, getting up to 100 days on standby. The latest HOTWAV rugged phone combines excellent water, dust and shock resistance with up to 12GB of RAM, 24MP night vision camera with the dual infrared night vision sensors, the super strong 280 lumen LED camping light on the back. This phone has a lot more to offer, so be sure to watch this HOTWAV W11 video review. Okay, let's start with unboxing and we'll see what is in this black box. Right above is our phone. What else do we have here? The detailed phone uses a manual written in many languages, SIM pin, USB Type-C charging cable, USB OTG cable, and finally the 33-watt fast charger. Now that we examine the contents of the box, let's refocus our attention on the smartphone itself. At the first glance, we can conclude that the HOTWAV W11 is a really robust and powerful smartphone. We can say that this isn't a messy smartphone, but they had to put a 20,800 mAh battery somewhere, and that's the fact. So don't complain because this smartphone is a bit bulky, because this is a smartphone for extreme conditions and situations where you don't have the possibility to charge your phone for days if you are on a trip or camping. As with all HOTWAV smartphones, the quality and finish of the product itself is brought to perfection. The case is rubberized, which contributes to excellent stability and comfort in the hand. This phone will not slip out of your hands that easily, believe me. On the right side of the phone, in a black metal frame that exudes robustness and strength, we find this volume button, and below it is the power button. On the opposite side, under the rubber cover, we find the SD card tray that has two slots, so we have option of 2 SIM cards at the same time, or 1 SIM and the micro SD card of up to 2TB. A little lower we can see this perforated red button that can be customized by performing various functions with the phone or compatible applications. This button can be activated with a single click, double click or a long press, so this one button has 3 different functions according to your wishes. On the bottom side of the phone there is USB Type-C port covered by a rubber seal that guarantees 100% water resistance. On the front we have a 6.6 FHD plus IPS 1080 by 2460 pixel resolution, protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. It's a big eye-pleasing display, acceptable slightly wider frames for protection with the punch hole in the middle, in which there is a 60MP front camera with a Samsung lens. There is also a face unlock function, which will be perfect for your video calls and selfies. The IPS panel delivers a rich and vibrant colors, brings everything on the W11 to life. In terms of screen brightness, which is 480 nits, I had no problems with outside visibility on bright sunny day. The display is bright and legible in all circumstances. The bright screen and the acceptable black value also result in a good contrast ratio, which leads to a stronger color representation on the screen. If you are not too demanding, this screen will definitely serve you very well without any problems for daily surfing and on websites and social media, as well as for viewing YouTube videos. And with this large battery you will be able to spend up to 35 hours watching continuous video content, which is a really impressive result. Now let's go to the back of the smartphone, and there we find this main and the key features of this phone that makes it unique. HOTWAV W11 rocks a super strong LED camping light on the back with the impressive intensity of brightness, offering up to 280 lumens. Its power is sustained by a massive 20,800 mAh battery for prolonged usage with around 510 lighting beats, up to 6 watts of power. This LED light efficiently projects a beam over long distances. Additionally, it is built to endure wet and harsh conditions, boasting high water resistance and rugged durability against rough hanging. accidents can occur during outdoor or wilderness journeys, the W11 can really come in handy in such situations and save the day. In addition to serving as a camping light for outdoor adventures such as camping sites, this versatile light can adapt to a wide range of scenarios. Its software includes multiple brightness settings and clearly ideal for camping with the app to control the specific brightness level required or activate emergency SOS mode to take attention from potential many miles away in open space. Just above the LED light we find the impressive large camera module boasting a high-performance 64 megapixel Sony lens. The W11 promises to capture every scene with a breathtaking clarity and vivid detail. One of the standout features of the W11 it is dual advanced infrared night vision sensors which are able to excel in low light conditions. This smartphone ensures that you can capture clear and detailed images even in complete darkness. This capability not only expands your photographic possibilities but also enhances your ability to document your outdoor adventures in any lighting scenarios. It can record videos in a maximum resolution of 1080 pixels and 30 fps. Now, to get a feel for the camera performance, it's best to check out a few samples that I took using our W11 camera, so let's take a look. In terms of performance, the HOTWAV W11 stands out, effortlessly handling tasks and applications without any noticeable lag. You can even enjoy a wide array of popular titles available on the Google Play Store thanks to the phone's MT8788 octa-core processor, which is a mix of powerful hardware plus graphics. Is provided by a high-capable Mali G72 GPU operating up to 800 MHz, ensuring optimal performance for both work and multimedia. That ensures sufficient gameplay across most games, but don't expect any miracles here. While it ensures ample gameplay for most games, it's essential to know that miracles should not be expected, because this is not a gaming phone. Regarding memory, the phone offers a maximum of up to 12 GB of RAM, comprising a base of 6 GB and additional 6 GB of external RAM with 256 GB of internal memory, which can be upgraded with a memory card of up to 2 TB. I believe that you will have plenty of space for all your applications, video and photos. With the Monstrous 20800mAh battery, the W11 can withstand 100 days of standby time, 36 hours of continuous navigation, 35 hours of video playback, 28 hours of gameplay with one battery charge on this phone. HOTWAV W11 fully taps into the mega battery with a 10-watt reverse charging technology that is 50% faster than the previous generations. The phone runs on the latest Android 13 operating system, showcasing exceptional multitasking capabilities and a seamless app switching. It delivers a pristine Android experience, free from unnecessary bloatware or unexpected ads. The pre-installed Google Play Store ensures all latest applications and games and regular updates. The phone provides extensive customization options, empowering users to personalize dark themes, wallpapers, interface colors, and other features supported by the latest Android version. The phone interface is on pure Android, which is good and comes without any additional bloatware applications. The W11 supports GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo positioning, and this 3-in-1 navigation system enhances the accuracy and reliability of location-based services for audio outdoor adventures, even in the remote areas. The complete 4G LTE bands, no matter where you are in the world, this smartphone can be used without any problems. On top of the usual 2.4 GHz frequencies, the W11 also supports a 5 GHz connection. It's even necessary to mention that W11 with its impressive IP68 and IP69K rating guarantees resistance to dust and water and grease, surviving submersion in water at the depth of 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes. It becomes the ideal choice for various outdoor activities. Furthermore, having successfully met the rigorous military standard MIL STD 810H testing its durability in extreme temperatures and challenging environments, resistance and safely, also equipped with the durable Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection for even better screen protection. The W11 particularly comes with the glove mode feature to enhance user comfort and usability. In summary, the HOTWAV W11 is impressive rugged smartphone designed for extreme conditions and unparalleled endurance. With its monstrous 20,800 mAh battery, it offers huge standby time of up to 100 days, making it ideal for long trips or outdoor adventures where charging may not be available. The combination of water, dust and shock resistance ensures durability in the toughest environments, while features like the 24 megapixel night vision camera with the dual advanced infrared sensors and a super strong 280 lumen LED camping light make it a versatile companion for any situation. It's a powerful hardware including up to 20 GB of RAM and a capable octa-core processor ensures smooth performance for multitasking and gaming. With extensive customization options, the latest Android operating system and robust connectivity features, the HOTWAV W11 is a standard choice for those seeking a reliable and rugged smartphone for their outdoor adventures. If you are impressed by its unique look, great features and capabilities of this W11, and I know you are after this review, don't miss your chance to take advantage of the promotional pricing available now. The official sales links are available below this video, so act quickly and get yourself a brand new HOTWAV W11 today while their offers last. Thank you for watching and we'll see you soon in the next video review. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.